Hi, it's Kanani with short hair. Okay, so we made a collab channel called AG Super 7 Stars. So here are the rules to audition. You have to say your doll's age. I would prefer if the ages were 9 through 17. Actually, 9 through 15. 9 through 15, okay? 9 through 15. You have to be subscribed to AG Super 7 Stars, and you also have to be subscribed to me. If you win, you will be one of the 6 people that would win. I would be the last person. So, I would be the least preferred day. Let's say, almost none of you could do, the day Thursday. I would be Thursday then, which actually I couldn't be because I am a babysitter then, so that wouldn't work. Blah, blah, blah. Never mind. Okay. So, you have to include your doll's name, age, why you want to be in this collab, I'm sorry. Oh, and the day that you want to make your video and put it on the channel, and yeah. And you also have to leave the video as a video response. If you can't leave it as a video response, then just personal message me or PM me or whatever. I'm pretty sure PM means personal message. So, yeah, and the last thing that you have to do to, complete your audition is you need to make a 30-second to 120-second, so I think that's half a minute to 2 minutes, of an example of what you would do if you were already in this collab. The auditions are free choice. If you make it in, I'll PM you, all the details, so if you make it in, add me as a contact, and I'll add you as a contact. And because I'll need to send the password to you for the channel. It's actually not. Never mind. I was just about to say the passwords were dumb, but I don't care. It's a good password, and no, it is not Kanani. And that couldn't even work anyway, so blah. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's all there is to it. If you think I forgot something important that, you need to have in a collab video, please put it in the comments, because I'm not good at this type of stuff. Yeah, so... Oh, we sort of... Never mind, I'm writing my video. Okay, well, bye.